Hello YouTube, we are down the allotment on Thursday 13th of February, day before Valentine's Day. So I have come to plant my strawberries. I got some home, so I'm going to put them in there. And what else am I going to do? I got some plants for other people. Seeds, sorry. Got a poppy collection. Teasels. That's for me. Attract some wildlife. Bees and insects. Also, I got some Cosmos Dwarf Sensation Mix and some Zinnia. Plus whatever else I do in the greenhouse. Do some more veg. Also, yesterday, down by the frame, down there, planting some asparagus. Lovely. So that's what we're doing today. But the most important job of the day is get the kettle on, have a coffee. So that's the first job. After trying to open this flipping greenhouse, I think I need to spray some WD-40 in the lock. It's a bit dry and stiff. Right, that's open. Flipping thing. Also, I need to. Oh, it's a bit warmer now. I need to trim the wick off the heater. It's making funny noise yesterday. I realised when I got home the wick might need trimming off, so I'm going to do that in a minute while doing the kettle. So I shall see you in a minute, YouTube. Right, I think I got some pricking out to do. Look, my runner beans are coming. Oh, better uncover that. Look. There's me French beans. They ain't coming yet, but and I've got broccoli coming. And behind, hang on. Asylum. That's what? Yeah, them. Are coming. So I've got to prick them out, and behind the cauliflower as well. And here's my radish. And you can see very tiny little lettuce. So, all good, YouTube. We're getting there. So, what I might do... No, I won't. I'll do some seeds, do the strawberries, do the seeds, and then tomorrow crack on with some pricking out, which would be amazing. 1, 2, 3. Yes, amazing, YouTube. We're getting there. Right, that's that then. Done. Then YouTube. That bit I have done. There are strawberries in there. Might be a bit overkill on the straw, but I suppose it's better to have too much and not enough. So there he goes. Getting there, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Right, you've seen the strawberries with the overdone straw. Flipping heck. It's either smoke in there, or my eyes are getting worse. Anyway, this is what I've done. Done some teasels here. Zinnia, poppies, and I haven't done my book yet. Ow. Should point the labels the right way. Oh, Cosmos. Dwarf ones. Ow, ow, ow. So I've done that as well. So look, here's all I've done. As I said, yes, look. Tomorrow we shall be doing the broccoli, the Alison, and the runner beans, which are in here. Oh bugger! Well, that's if they survive me bashing them. So yes, YouTube. Oh, as well, I have bought yesterday when I bought me asparagus. Bought some bulbs and things, cheapers, whatever. Butterflies and bees. Gladioli. I ain't got my glasses on. I ain't got my other glasses on, I can't see what that says. Looks nice though. Anyway, YouTube, the blokes are down there building the shed. Doing a good job, I think, for the look of it. It's going to take a few weeks, I think. Anyway, YouTube, but I'll do this for this week. I think next week I shall go out for a walk somewhere. Might go along the canal or something. I've been out for ages, have it? So we'll do that. And makes a change, doesn't it? Starting to run out of room here. I raked the ground the other day, as you saw, and it's looking not too bad. Just needs to dry out, that. It's a bit heavy here and a bit clayey, but once it dries out a bit, I think it's not too bad. So I think that before I had it, it must have been a while before I took over. Like the gap between, you know, people owning, renting the plot. So yeah, I'll show you the other one in a minute, which hasn't been too long. This plot, which is literally that bit and that bit, was without a person renting it for about 3 weeks, I think. Oh, don't want to be think I'm filming them. But over there, behind the camera, over that way, don't know if you can see, it's probably too far. Go to the end of mine, then there's one between, and then the other side of there. I've been here a year, but well, nearly a year, about 10 months I think I've been here. But there's no one been on that one. And there's one just up round there. Oh, can't get past. Oh, yeah. There's my next door. Again, then next door again. The other side of that bin there. He's been empty since I've been here. This one up round there. Oh, flip neck. Yeah. This one. See, look, that's about 3 foot high there. This bramble wire is about 5 foot. And all this, well, it's a bit hard to see, but a lot of it's 2.5 foot high. Well, there's the path, and then it's 5 meters up to there, roughly. That's what mine looks like. But the person who got the one down diagonal to me, fair play to them, they fell on their feet. Because the people who had it, gave it up in December, you know, just before Christmas, and the next people to take over was the first couple of weeks in January. So Lovely. Fair play to them. All good. Anyway, YouTube, it's now time to go home, do the school run. So I shall see you next week at some point, Tuesday, hopefully. Hopefully Tuesday there'll be a outdoorsy walkie type video. So don't forget to subscribe, press the like button and press the bell, all for free. See you later, YouTube. Bye.